In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a drop-down menu for your website navigation panel. This is an essential skill for any web developer or designer looking to improve the user experience by organizing content more effectively. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Pages panel. To do this, locate the two-pronged icon situated at the top left of the main menu. It's your gateway to managing your site's architecture. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll find yourself inside a place where all the magic happens. Now, with the Pages panel in front of you, it's time to add a new drop-down menu. Simply click the plus icon that you'll see within this panel. But don't stop there. Scroll down through your options to find and select drop-down. In some older versions of website platforms, this might be referred to as a folder. By adding this drop-down, you're essentially creating a container for organizing your pages, making them easily accessible and neatly arranged. Once you've added the drop-down, the next step is to give it a meaningful name. Enter a title that fits the content you're grouping together. For example, you might go with something like Services if you're showcasing different offerings, or Shop for product categories. This title is crucial because it's what users will see in your main navigation menu, so make it descriptive and relevant. With the drop-down named, it's time to populate it with pages. You have several options here. To add new pages, look for the Add Page option that conveniently appears right under your new drop-down title. Clicking this will allow you to create new content directly inside the drop-down, keeping it all organized from the get-go. If you have existing pages you'd like to include, simply drag and drop them from your main navigation panel right into the space just below your new drop-down title. And for a bit of added functionality, you can include links to external websites, blog categories, or other special pages by clicking Add Link under the drop-down title. This flexibility lets you create a robust and dynamic navigation experience for your site visitors. Once you have all your content lined up, take a moment to reorder the pages as needed by dragging and dropping them within the drop-down. This allows you to customize the flow and priority of information, leading to a better user experience. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. Whether you click a Save button or simply refresh your window, ensuring that everything is locked in place is crucial for your hard work to reflect on the live site. And there you have it. Your new drop-down menu should now be visible in your website's header, ready to guide users with ease and efficiency.